Crystals may look like simple stones, but they hold incredible healing power that can transform your spiritual journey. Imagine a tool that not only looks beautiful, but also carries the energy to enhance your spiritual path. Crystals have been used for centuries across different cultures for their unique properties and energies. They are not just beautiful decorations, but powerful allies that can help you achieve inner peace, protection, and healing. In this video, we will explore how you, as a chosen one, can harness the power of crystals to enhance your spiritual journey and unlock your true potential. If you overlook the power of these crystals, you could be missing out on profound healing and spiritual growth. Ignoring the potential of crystals means depriving yourself of a powerful tool that can aid in your journey towards enlightenment and self-discovery. By not incorporating crystals into your practice, you may miss out on the protection, healing, and guidance they offer. Embracing the power of crystals can lead to significant positive changes in your life, helping you to overcome obstacles and achieve a higher state of consciousness. Crystals are naturally occurring minerals that form in the earth over millions of years. Each crystal has a unique molecular structure that gives it specific properties and energies. These energies can interact with our own energy fields, also known as auras, to promote healing, protection, and spiritual growth. Crystals can absorb, store, and release energy, making them powerful tools for enhancing your spiritual practice. Understanding the basics of crystals is the first step in harnessing their power. Crystals come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique properties. For example, clear quartz is known as the master healer and can be used for a variety of purposes, while amethyst is known for its calming and protective properties. By learning about the different types of crystals and their specific properties, you can choose the right ones to support your spiritual journey. Choosing the right crystals is a deeply personal process. It's important to select crystals that resonate with you and your specific needs. When choosing crystals, trust your intuition. You might feel drawn to a particular crystal without knowing why. This is often a sign that the crystal holds the energy you need at that moment. There are a few methods you can use to choose your crystals. One common method is to hold the crystal in your hand and see how it makes you feel. You might feel a sense of calm, warmth, or even a tingling sensation. Another method is to research the properties of different crystals and choose ones that align with your intentions. For example, if you are seeking protection, you might choose black tourmaline, which is known for its protective properties. It's also important to consider the quality of the crystals you are choosing. Look for crystals that are clear and free of cracks or chips, as these imperfections can affect their energy. Once you have chosen your crystals, you can begin to integrate them into your spiritual practice and experience their powerful effects. Cleansing and charging your crystals is essential to maintain their effectiveness. Crystals can absorb negative energies over time, so it's important to cleanse them regularly to keep their energy pure and potent. There are several methods for cleansing crystals, including using water, salt, smoke, or sound. One of the simplest methods is to hold your crystal under running water for a few minutes. You can also immerse them in a bowl of salt water overnight. If you prefer a smoke cleanse, you can use sage or Palo Santo to smudge your crystals. Simply pass the crystals through the smoke for a few moments. Another method is to use sound, such as a singing bowl or tuning fork, to cleanse the crystals. After cleansing, it's important to charge your crystals to restore their energy. One common method is to place them in the sunlight or moonlight for several hours. The natural light recharges the crystals, filling them with vibrant energy. You can also place them on a piece of selenite or clear quartz, which are known for their ability to cleanse and charge other crystals. By regularly cleansing and charging your crystals, you ensure they remain powerful allies on your spiritual journey. These practices keep the energy of the crystals pure and potent, ready to support you whenever you need them. Crystals can serve as powerful protectors, creating a shield around you to ward off negative energies and harmful influences. One of the most well-known protective crystals is black tourmaline. This crystal is highly effective at absorbing negative energy and providing a sense of grounding and stability. Carrying a piece of black tourmaline with you or placing it near your home's entrance can help keep unwanted energies at bay. Another excellent crystal for protection is amethyst. Known for its ability to protect against psychic attacks and negative thoughts, amethyst also enhances your spiritual awareness. Keeping amethyst near your bed can provide a peaceful and protected sleep, free from nightmares and disturbances. Smoky quartz is a powerful grounding and protective stone. It helps to neutralize negative vibrations and detoxify your energy field. Wearing smoky quartz as jewelry or keeping it in your living space can create a protective barrier, allowing you to feel safe and secure in any environment. Integrating these protective crystals into your daily life can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. They act as guardians, ensuring that your energy remains pure and undisturbed, allowing you to focus on your spiritual growth and journey. Crystals are also renowned for their healing properties, capable of addressing physical, emotional, and spiritual ailments. Clear quartz, often referred to as the master healer, is an incredibly versatile crystal. It can amplify the healing properties of other stones and is effective in balancing all aspects of your being. Placing clear quartz on specific areas of the body can help in alleviating pain and promoting overall healing. Rose quartz is another powerful healing crystal, particularly for matters of the heart. Known as the stone of unconditional love, rose quartz helps to heal emotional wounds and open the heart to love and compassion. Keeping rose quartz close during times of emotional distress can provide comfort and promote healing. For physical healing, green aventurine is an excellent choice. It is known for its ability to support the healing of the physical body, particularly the heart and lungs. Wearing green aventurine or placing it on the affected area can speed up recovery and promote a sense of well-being. Incorporating these healing crystals into your daily practices can help you address and heal various aspects of your life. They provide a gentle, yet powerful, way to support your overall health and wellness, allowing you to live a balanced and harmonious life. Meditation is a crucial practice for anyone on a spiritual journey, and incorporating crystals can significantly enhance this practice. Crystals can help deepen your meditation, improve focus, and connect you with higher states of consciousness. Amethyst, with its calming and spiritual properties, is an excellent crystal for meditation. Holding amethyst or placing it on your third eye can help to quiet the mind and open you up to spiritual insights. Clear quartz is another fantastic crystal for meditation. It acts as an amplifier, enhancing the energy of your intentions and meditative focus. Placing clear quartz in your meditation space or holding it during your practice can help to clarify your thoughts and intentions, making your meditation more effective. Lapis lazuli is a powerful crystal for those looking to deepen their meditation practice. Known for its ability to stimulate the third eye and enhance psychic abilities, lapis lazuli can help you access deeper levels of meditation and spiritual awareness. Holding lapis lazuli or wearing it as jewelry during meditation can enhance your connection to the spiritual realms. Using these crystals during meditation can create a more profound and enriching experience. They help to focus your mind, enhance your spiritual connection, and provide deeper insights, making your meditation practice more powerful and transformative. Creating a crystal grid is a powerful way to amplify the energy of your intentions using the combined power of multiple crystals. A crystal grid involves arranging crystals in a specific geometric pattern to direct energy towards a specific goal. The most important aspect of creating a crystal grid is setting a clear intention. This intention can be anything from attracting love, enhancing protection, to promoting healing. To create a crystal grid, start by choosing a central stone, also known as the anchor stone, which will be the focus of your intention. Clear quartz is an excellent choice for an anchor stone due to its amplifying properties. Place the anchor stone in the center of your chosen surface, which can be a dedicated altar or a quiet space in your home. Next, select supporting stones that resonate with your intention. For example, if your goal is to promote healing, you might choose rose quartz and green aventurine. Arrange these supporting stones around the anchor stone in a symmetrical pattern. You can use a specific geometric shape, such as a circle or a star, to enhance the flow of energy. Activate your grid by connecting the stones energetically. You can do this by using a clear quartz wand or simply your finger to draw lines between the stones, imagining the energy flowing through them and connecting them with light. Leave the grid in place for as long as needed, regularly meditating on it and reinforcing your intention. Personal stories and experiences with crystals can be incredibly inspiring and affirming for your own journey. Many people have reported profound changes in their lives after incorporating crystals into their spiritual practices. For instance, one individual shared how carrying black tourmaline helped them overcome anxiety and feel more grounded in stressful situations. Another person described how using rose quartz during a difficult breakup helped them heal their heart and open up to new relationships with a renewed sense of self-love. These personal anecdotes highlight the transformative power of crystals. By listening to others' experiences, you can gain insights into how different crystals might work for you. It's important to remember that everyone's journey with crystals is unique. What works for one person might not work for another, but hearing these stories can provide valuable guidance and encouragement. Sharing your own experiences with crystals can also help others. By talking about how crystals have impacted your life, you can inspire others to explore their potential and discover their own crystal allies. This exchange of knowledge and experiences creates a supportive community where everyone can learn and grow together. Integrating crystals with other spiritual practices can enhance their effects and create a more holistic approach to your spiritual journey. For example, using crystals in yoga can deepen your practice and help you connect more profoundly with your body and mind. Placing crystals on your yoga mat or wearing them as jewelry can infuse your practice with their energy. Reiki, a form of energy healing, also works well with crystals. During a Reiki session, placing crystals on or around the body can help to balance and heal the energy centers or chakras. Specific crystals can be chosen for each chakra, enhancing the flow of energy and promoting overall well-being. Tarot readings can also be enhanced with crystals. Placing a clear quartz crystal on your tarot deck when not in use can cleanse and amplify the deck's energy. During a reading, you can hold a crystal that resonates with your intention or question to gain deeper insights and clarity. Combining crystals with these and other spiritual practices can create a more comprehensive and enriched spiritual experience. The synergy between crystals and other modalities can lead to profound transformations and a deeper understanding of yourself and the universe. Crystals are powerful allies on your spiritual journey, offering protection, healing, and enhanced meditation. By understanding and choosing the right crystals, cleansing and charging them, and integrating them into your spiritual practices, you can harness their full potential. Creating crystal grids and sharing personal experiences can further enrich your connection with these powerful stones. Combining crystals with other spiritual practices can create a holistic approach that enhances your overall well-being and spiritual growth. Remember, the power of crystals lies not only in their physical beauty, but also in their ability to transform and guide you on your path. Embrace the magic of crystals and let them support you in uncovering your true potential as a chosen one. Their energy is always there for you, ready to assist you in your journey towards enlightenment and self-discovery.